Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get gold. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I felt for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. A woman with the confidence to look in my eyes and tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And the power of a woman with a brilliant mind. And I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen. Gold. Gold. Gold queen.
Morning on the stores, I move with a grin. Eyes on the table, I know where to begin. Price tags blink fast, handshake a little. I read the room clean, then I split the middle. One bad pull, don't break my stride. I wait for the gap, then I slide inside. One smart move can flip the whole game. I don't chase luck,
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Today is July the 24th. It's Friday. Good morning, good morning. Morning, Pauline. Good morning, full time. Morning, Poncho. Morning, AJW. Why the market always does these dumb moves right before a market open? Who cares why? Just don't trade and wait for the right move. Like, oh, guys, I'm a little bit tired by the week. It's been a great one, this one, but yeah, tiring nevertheless. I'm having a little bug on bookmap. I got no data between like 2 a.m. and 2:37 a.m. Like, no data, no nothing. I'm gonna wait, maybe it's just loading. Morning, Abibi. Morning, Fly. Morning, Tricky. Morning, Aaron. Morning, Brandon, Rowley. Morning, everyone. 2 minutes and a half. And market will be open. I mean, it's already open, but London session will start. We are managing to, we managed to bounce on TDO and the low that we established during Asia. Now we're slowly climbing up. How many points is this range? Okay. Now, do I need to take an anticipation trade on? Thinking about going in here. I know that I'm 10-15 points late. Fuck, this is the move. But this was the move since here. Yeah, we got buyers here on bookmap at 47. What is that? Is that 47? Am I delayed? No, it's 93. Okay. So here. No, I can't. Morning, JM. Luca, good morning, brother. Been a few weeks. It's been. Oh, you're already done, Pauline. Good shit. Yeah, that was the move. Bang, 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 bang. This red line that you can see at 536 is an entire frame label. I'm sorry, that I have since I think like February. Shit like that. I don't remember. So 30 seconds. We missed this one. Probably gonna touch 562 with the opening volume. That's fine. Don't wanna jump in here because in 10 seconds we got hourly candle, London opening, and all that shit. Chances are that we're just gonna continue and skyrocket to 62 and then 76, but we can have the opposite reaction. Here comes the pump. That was only 52. We had buyers here. If this candle can push, I expect a bounce on the fib. Here comes the flip. Do we have aggressive buyers here again? Let's see if they cover their positions or not. No major levels on bookmap, only 462 on the downside, like between 75 and 62. There's an area of resistance. We are climbing, but again, there are not new aggressive buyers on the tape. We should have the 62 touch. Yeah, we missed this one. This was a rocket. These were like 50 points if I'm late entering on this one. That's fine. That's fine. That long is going crazy, yes. And again, it was pretty easy to spot. Now, best case scenario, guys. Best case scenario. We touch, like, we mitigate this area. We dump 50% fucking retracement. Right on the fibs. Like, now he needs to reject. Because I can't jump in the long. I can't fucking jump in the long. I need some sort of pullback. Like, I'm not Logan. Luca, would that be considered oh, both? Like both. We are now at the neckline of this. This W is basically a 5-minute for sure, maybe also a 15-minute W. Here we go. And again, this is the area from which you can have the first reaction to the downside. Oh, we missed like the banger. Yeah, Pauline, like you were in this long, Pauline? Hi YouTube, by the way, guys. Sorry, I forgot about you. What up, what up, what up? So 76, here we go. Both on both charts. Now I need to see some time on pullback. If not, we're watching the game from the bench, guys. Gonna watch it rip. The move is sustained a lot, like a lot. We didn't have not even one aggressive seller on this leg up. I need some sort of pullback. But it was right before market open, so I didn't want to risk it yet from the 3-bar at 515. Like, I understand that you got no reason to, like, that you were scared because of the opening. That's why I didn't enter here, basically, 58. So my enter would have been 30, 28, 32. But if you're, or like, if you're already in the trade here, and you're just going like this, at the opening, you're here, maybe, what was your entry? Oh, 515, you told me. So you entered here. Like, at 3 a.m., you're basically here. Just put the fucking stop loss at the fibs. Saying on your chart, put the fucking stop loss at 29. Like, who cares? Let it run. Banger start, yeah. So this is the rejection. Let's see, just by measuring this shit. Okay, just above, just between the higher time frame level at 36 and my fibs. Now, let's see if we can drop and we can just manage. Oh, there is also this neckline. I need a little bit of a pullback, like a little pullback. Did I want to lose your profit? Yes, but at the same time, you didn't want to lose your profit because you were already above what you need to do for the day. Because if you were like at $100, you wouldn't have closed the trade. This means that you're looking again at fucking P&L and not if the trade is still valid or not. Like, if we had a little bit of a pullback, some shit like that, I could have understood, like, okay, she got scared, trading day is done, it's not a nice moment, we need to spark some confidence back up, fine, we close the trade. but no pullback, no shit. The trade is valid. I was telling you, like, no, like, we're just talking, and I know that, like, I know you. Like, the difference between you and another user on the Discord is, like, I know how you think. Yucky, 5.8k. Is that on the day? Okay, this is a nice touch on 562. Is it enough as a retracement? No, of course. What kind of stop loss do I have if I jump in here? Like, it's too wide. Like, I can't jump in here, like on this candle, on the long. I can jump if we just retrace, because I need a deeper pullback. If I jump in here when we break the high, like, I can take this as stop loss. So, and it's huge. It's like 35 points. So my size, like, it's like 3 cons, 2 cons. Or even worse, stop loss is below the fibs, so it's like 60 points. What is that? 40 points. Your size is big. Only when I'm excited, Pauline. Only when I really like what I'm seeing. On these 20 points, Yaki? I look, I got in at 28,520. Yeah, and then left at 530. I missed the whole mood. How to fix? So you entered here, and you exit here. 10 points. So first of all, if you're a scalper, fine, 10 free points. What's the matter? Like, this thing doesn't happen each and every day, or at each and every single push or volume injection that we have in the market. If you want to hold a trade, just think, okay, I got in at 20, and I'm long. We are going up. Okay, we reached maybe the 530. That was the level that I was looking at, blah, 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 for whatever reason. But why am I getting out? Like, is price telling me that it's time to reverse? Like, we didn't have not even one red candle. It's like the same thing I was trying to say to Pauline. If you have some sort of, you know, signal, hint, or whatever, like the chart is telling you, one of your indicators, we're pumping now, we can take this little scalp. Do we want to do it? Like, let's see if, yeah, yes, it's pumping really fucking hard. Go in very, very like at 87. Okay, yeah, we're pumping, placing the stop loss at 60. I got 27 points of stop loss. I mean, with 5 cons, probably gonna partial out 1, maybe 2 at 100 for quick 13 points. And that's, for example, how you can enter partialing out really, really fucking quick the risk, and then if the trade goes, I'm here to enjoy the fucking ride. So I'm taking 2. Okay, nice, that is 600. I unloaded 3 cons, still running 2 on 5 accounts right now, and we go. Okay, be aware that my entry, again, is 85. Better, it's 87. So 20 points in a blink of an eye, just because we know where to enter and blah, blah, blah. And even more, I got slipped a little bit. We should see, yeah, like that. We should see a pump now. Aggressive buyers on book map, making higher highs. ES approaching his fibs. We need reaction. If we can have a nice, and you will see again, yeah, again, I need again. If we can see another big reaction on ES, it's looking very promising. If not, we gotta remember that we got in here. So we can retrace the whole move. Stop losses are already in place. Don't jump in just because you see price pumping. I told you I was, let's go, let's go. Those are 30 freaking points. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go. A nice start for this fucking Friday, even if we missed the first part of the move. Even if we missed it. Poo, 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 poo. Yeah, I'm taking one out here. Just because ES is there. And two running. And yeah, two running up break even. So we got some room. If price want to drop, but you know what, guys, why not just pump the fuck up and just give us the trading day as we want it, as we love it, close the week as green as fuck. Oh my god. 39, like around that area, 37, 38, 39. You can see that line on my screen. It's gonna be another partial for me. And I'm okay with taking these aggressive partials because, again, we had not a late entry, we had an entry. Meanwhile, the price, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, watch out, watch out. Watch out, next candle can explode both sides. We had a fuck ton of orders. And now market is deciding we're gonna absorb these huge sell orders that are coming, and so we pump, or we're just gonna accept those orders and let the price fall. Buyers are responding, slowly defending. 30 area on fire. Yes, still there above the fibs. Everything is still looking good. Again, this is another moment in which, oh, what the fuck, I'm scared. I don't want to lose my profit. First of all, I take partials, so I just secure something on the move. Second of all, what price is telling me? Big candle, slightly smaller, slightly smaller, slightly smaller. Our strength, like the strength of the move is getting, how do you say it? Is getting lower in volume. So what we need now, we need another acceleration. If we don't accelerate on this side, we can accumulate, so we can stall for a bit and then decide, or you have the opposite. Let's go. You have the opposite reaction at 39. Yeah, that's a partial. That's a fucking partial, guys. What we doing? What are we fucking doing? That's 50 points off the rip. That's 50 fucking points off the rip. And we missed the good part of the move. Like, my entry should have been here. Look at the fucking precision on this shit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Next target is up here. This is bottom orb from yesterday New York session. And these are targets. Look at it. Oh, yes. Yes, still one con in. And at break even down there at 87, I don't give a fuck. It will touch me. Like 87 is not a level. 87 is nothing. So if we fall, we fall. It's gonna touch me. I'm gonna be fine. It's gonna touch my stop loss and fine. Or who had a better entry than me? If you can, guys. I know that like it's a huge stretch, but if your entry is really 520, go here. Go here. Place the stop loss at a structural level below a key level. and you would be fucking fine. Like, you can enjoy. Look at how many fucking targets we have on the upside. We have more on the downside, like, not more, but the fibs are better on the downside today. But fibs are there just to be expected. If we can 3-bar here, it's goodbye. It's fucking goodbye. No, boy, no. Like 100 points, 115 points later. Can I re-enter? That's a 3-bar. Come on. Out of the 76, come on. No, don't flip, because this is the trigger for the short entry. Don't flip again, and give it to us. Come on. Bluesy goes Bluesy to Pauline. Green really suits you, Pauline. Pauline to Bluesy. I fucking missed 100 points, man. That's a nice 3-bar. Yes, it's respecting the fibs too. We should see another green candle coming with volume, with some sort of conviction. Let's pump to 50. Come on. Like, we got 50, 57. Here we go. Oh my god, when it goes like this, it's so easy. It's so fucking readable. Fuck you, Luca. This is not funny. I'm broke. I need the money. Like, don't close the trade. Don't fucking close the trade. My baby needs to eat. Well, he's eating good. I know that he's eating good right now. Yes, he's looking so strong, approaching HI. Look at the fucking yes. Look at yes, look at NQ. We're cruising. We're 70 points up, almost 80. Let's go. That's bottom orb. Now we need, that's almost the full move on ES. We can expect another pump on NQ. I want my fibs on NQ. Droking, the most I've ever made. So glad, guys. Like, to me, it's the best feeling. It's even better when, like if I had to compare my profits with the profits from the chat and from people that I see here each and every day, I'm way more excited and satisfied by seeing your profits and the way you're doing it rather than mine. Yeah, exactly. Exactly 20. So Aaron, another fucking huge message. I was $200 away from blowing this 100k FFF accounts. Now I'm green $1,046. The fuck? It can be Albatross. It can be. I would have preferred a touch on the fib. So it's not there. I'm not gonna take the short after an 80 pointer. But yeah, we need to see how we manage these eyes, how we manage bottom orb from yesterday. Again, we're so close from the fibs, like 15, 16 points from the top that and it's not ego, it's just how price usually behaves. It at least like a week, at least a simple tap on those levels, and then if you wants to retrace, just retrace. Let's see if we have this tap sooner or later, or if we just don't have it. Same here, I was negative 897.50, push it back into green plus 785. Guys, these swings are crazy. JM. Nice. Luca, my wife is toxic. Tell her something. Man, give me more details. Like toxic in which sense? Yeah, perfect short entry on ES if we can stay below HI and the fib that we got there. NQ. We are like sandwiched between key levels right now. Between 630 and 640, I got like 4 key levels. So, and again, I still want to see a touch at 672, 678, that area over there. Can we please get a hog reveal after that trade? Man, like you would have been so fucking how do you say it? Not unsatisfied, but like you have 150 points trade, and then you see a 2-inch hog. Like it's not comparable, my man. Like, you know, you and Super Play are way too funny on the show. The other, yeah, I have a lot of fun with the fat gay guy, the Peruvian one, or the Colombian one, or whatever his ethnicity is. The half Italian, half French, half American, half Latino, half not straight gay. Like, it's not half gay. It's full on. 2-inch you packing, man, I have my problems. I have my issues when, you know, going to the beach. I need to hide all that. Yeah. Yeah, you know, Bluesy. You're like me. Good morning, Punisher. She's talking shit because I'm watching you live. Jesus. Invite her. Yeah, let's like just tell her to join you. I need more likes on YouTube, so your wife can be another fucking like on YouTube. I'm joking. Just try to introduce her on what you do, and if she doesn't like it, like just start to mention all the shit that you don't like and that she likes and that you do just because you love her and shit like that. And this guy is how you to use leverage in real life. Like the top of a spaghetti can. Pop a sock in... What? I need to stop reading messages and DMs right off the bat. So we're losing the 786. Huge sign of reversals, as I was saying before. We still need... so this is how bookmap is looking right now. I'm gonna paste it, you guys, like here. So on this curve, we are basically collecting a facton of selling orders. Price is slowly curving. If price doesn't, and we are now at this level, if price doesn't drop with force, it needs to drop like with the exact same speed, strength, and blah blah blah, however you wanna call it, as he climbed. This is what we're trying to do. I'm gonna post another little screenshot on the downside. What we had on the downside, basically same shit here, and what price did, we fucking skyrocketed. If we don't do something like this, you will have the absorption, like you will have the opposite fucking, like people will call it fake out. People will call it like price wanted to go, but then it flipped. This is why. This is like when we absorb huge orders and we go the opposite direction. Like this is the reason behind the candle. Look, and like this is the reason I said this yesterday during Power Hour. When Max says there's nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move, it's that. It's this. nothing more bullish than a failed bearish move. We invested so much trying to drive the price down. We weren't able to. What we're gonna do, we're gonna pump over these orders. We're already over these orders. What's gonna happen? Like, it's fucking crazy that it's doing it as I'm talking. What's gonna happen? We're gonna have counter orders at the top, and now we have to see, are we accepting this new level, so we're pushing higher, or we're absorbing these orders and now sellers will get in control and push down. And it's something that evolves as price goes. And then, of course, you have your key levels. You got I got like selling and buy orders on the COB. I got the CVD that if it is on my side, I know that the trade can. Why am I explaining all of this, by the way? No fucking reason. No fucking reason. I spent my like $600 on 5 Lucid at Globex. Funded end up 1,400. Man, the only thing that I don't like is like that last word. I don't want you, any of you, like spending your last money on trading, not even on education, not even on indicators, not even on accounts. If you know that you got your last money on your fucking bank account, go find a job, guys. Go find a job. Like, go find a fucking, even something part-time. Even if you want to go full-time on trading, but you're not profitable, like you can go full-time right now. Go find a job. It will, first of all, give you some capital. Second of all, it will put away some stress. Right, you guys, like, I have to pay my bills with the trading. Bills, rent, whatever, dinners, vacation, like whatever I want to do, I gotta pay it with trading. Oh, my last trading money. D'Angelo, I'm sorry if I understood it like on a wrong way, but again, the argument is valid for everyone, because like it's a message, it's something that I read way too many times, way more than I like, and I'm just trying to get my first payout, brother, full time. This is what 93% of the industry is trying to do. Like 93% of people that they trade didn't request not even a single payout. 93%, my man. I gotta pay my bills with trading too, because I blow 2K a week in evals. Man, you can blow two like without any other income and blah blah blah. Say 8, it's gonna be 9.5 taxes. Like without write-offs, like I'm telling you by my standpoint. Before spending 2K, because it was a number that I was looking at in January, I needed like 10K a week just to be fucking sustainable and to don't stress about money. So I needed like 5 times what I was spending in order to cover taxes, to cover the cost of all the other shit that I have on my screens. I got TradingView going, I got Bookmap going. I was paying the indicators from the MOT. So if you get a payout, are you the other 7%? Yes, Wuzi. Yes, Wuzi. Like statistic from 2025, I don't have it. I don't have them updated for the 2026. But statistic from 2025 is like 93% of day traders lose money each and every day without getting any payout. In that 7%, guys, that 7% is not profitable. So the 7% that remains, like only 1% of that is constantly profitable in like after 6 months. So you're looking at a niche. like you gotta understand, guys, that you're aiming to do something that elites do. Yeah, like you're aiming to go to the fucking Olympics, and it's not like any other sport or any other job in which, like, if you're not an Olympic athlete. I don't know how to say it in English. If you're not at that level, you can still do your thing. You can still earn from what you're doing. Here, no. Like, it's like going, you're a top player or you're unprofitable. The only fucking way to reach as fast as you can that goal is go as slow as you can. Slower is faster. I know that this doesn't make any fucking sense. I know it, but it is like this. So we are bouncing again on top orb. Probably now gonna pull back. We have trapped buyers on this ice, and we'll see. Stop calling me out, motherfucker. You know that, like, I don't know why, now that I think about, but Lucy and Pauline are, okay, are mods, of course, but are two of the, yeah, I not complain, no, a match made in heaven, no, what? Fine. A Scotch, a Scot and a Swedish girl. Like, wow, Luca can speak Arabic. What? Then it's me, Pauline, right? Then it's me. Let's go to the YouTube. I'm close to a payout on Apex. Thinking to trade more before payout. Do you suggest payout at 2,600 or build buffer like I'm thinking? From YouTube, DJ Wineries or something like that. Man, like, I need to know a lot of things. Like, if you want a piece of advice, if you want to know my view. Is it your first payout? Are you trading one singular account? Is trading your full-time job? Do you need the money? Is that the first payout on these accounts? Like, a lot of shit. Just try to answer, and yeah, a lot of questions because I don't know the guy. You are a toothpick. Yeah, Pauline, I think that just because, like, the comparison on camera is like with the obesity. How do you say the plural of obese? No, I'm not blaming the camera. Luca, do you see bookmap on TradingView? Nope. This is a screenshot, my man. No, the plural of, so if a guy is an obese, one obese, two obeses, how'd you say it? Not obesity. Is there someone that can, oh, just obese? They are obese. Okay, so yeah, but maybe, oh, is it only an adjective in English? Okay, so you would say that obese guy, not only that obese. Fucking English is so fucking stupid. Are you talking like Lama obese? Of course I'm talking like Lama obese. Like, the fuck. Are there any orders at 28,602 down there? common orders 602 and 677. 677 like 16 cons. Man, there's nothing major. Like I don't see anything above 20 cons per level. So normal environment, price can go each way. No volume right now. A lot of orders in general. Buyers and sellers are just fighting around this level. And yeah, I'm still in the long, by the way, guys. Like, if we don't drop from this area, I will be still holding. Yeah, fine. It was a good trade too. So no short from this area, probably. Like, when you see what price is doing, again, I don't wanna, I can't, I have to put my ego aside and just understand that this touch on the fib, this top, if it will come, it won't be just a top, it will be something more, because we're accumulating since what? 18, it's like 10 minutes of pure nothing. So if we break out from this area, it's not gonna be just a week, it's gonna be a move. At the same time, I need to understand that it's getting more and more improbable that we're gonna tap these levels. I'm gonna still hold my trade. I'm gonna still hold my long. Because it's still valid. We didn't have the full red candle. Watch how this candle will fucking drop now. We didn't have like the full down move, so no way that I'm getting out. No way that I'm getting out after having that entry and that reaction. Yeah, at the same time, I'm not even jumping in the short, or I'm not even scaling in. So there was that guy, blah, 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 I'm close to a payout. First payout, 5 accounts, I have a job, I don't need the money. I'll take the money. Let's think about that, DJ. If you miss like $500 in payout, because it's a $500 payout with Apex, times 5 is 2.5k. With 80% profit split, it's gonna be what, $2,000? I know for a fact that even if you don't need the money, if you blow, because if you don't request the payout in like 1 day or 2 days, you're gonna blow the accounts. Like, statistics are against you. I don't know you, I don't know how you trade, I don't know shit. I just go with statistic. If you don't request the payout in like the first or the second day that the payout that you're eligible to request it, you're gonna blow it. More than 90% chances are like against you. Even more, if you fucking blow those accounts, by the fact that you were already eligible for a payout and you didn't request it, that's the thing that's gonna sting the most. By requesting the payout, okay, fine, you need to wait 2, 3, 4 hours to get your money, whatever. Maybe you will miss a trading day, whatever. But then if you fucking blow those 5 fucking accounts, you have $2,000 in your pockets, and even more, that fucking feeling that you put out money from a prop firm and you did it at the at the perfect moment. So just to, again, not only the risk, but distress yourself, just by the fact that you're talking about it with me, it means that it's stressing you out. Take the money. Take the fucking money. And like, what? Yo, look, I requested the payout, then I had the next trading day, I had a $400 trade. I could have requested those $400 too. Yes, for sure, but guess what? If it was the opposite thing, and like accounts blown and all the shit, It's okay, my man. Like, we're here for this. So this is the reaction again. The reversal that was calling. I'm gonna be out at around 6:05. Yeah. Yeah. That's the acceleration. Like, if you guys jumped in the short, it's looking very fucking good. As I was saying, not able, of course, to take this shit as I'm still in the long. Just gonna enjoy the price going. I need my ashtray and my lighter, and we're gonna smoke one cig. By the way, this week I don't know how many thousands, not hundreds, thousands of points we called. I don't even fucking know. Yeah, you were right, Pauline. Like, we were talking about the possibility of shorting from this area. And Barbara is 641 up there. Nice one. Nice. Just manage the trade. Just manage the fucking trade. There's nothing. Again, you want to see the exact same speed and strength that we had on the up move, now on the down move. Yeah, W shape almost completed. That's a failed inverse head and shoulder pattern. That's a W. And that's the move. And that's the move. Give me 2 seconds. Still falling. Yes, he's approaching his own fibs. Why, Gremlin? FOMO on what? On this short? Miss your limit order? Fine. Gonna have another one. Sure. Just wait. Guys, I know that it's a little bit crazy, but you know me. I still have one con running. In the long, on the long. 605 is a stop loss, so I'm just gonna wait. So this is why, like also the other day when I hosted the morning show, I was in the short like 100 points, 150 points in profit or some shit like that. And so I was shorting and Lama was longing. And I was okay holding the fucking trade, cause why? Because during that 200 points drop, I took partials, so I was okay. And I'm okay like with a 60 point reversal, 50 point reversal. First of all, I'm still in profit. Second of all, like 85% of my position is already closed. And so yeah, then you can have re-entries, you can have everything you want. Let me see Trado's screenshot. Are we in shorts now? Alvina, like, first of all, get your account verified and shit. And yeah, this was a nice entry short. Probably gonna pull back a little bit and short back again. Bang, 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 bang. Reading messages, not financial advice, always not financial advice. You short at 52, that's a nice entry. I'm not, that's just tobacco, youngling. Gosh, it's so hot when you're profitable. Right. So this is the little pullback on this first part of the dump. You know what? I'm not really liking that we didn't just drop. Do we have something? 610. Let me look at bookmark. No, we don't have anything. We have trapped sellers. Price needs to dump. If it doesn't dump, guys, it's gonna be another ripper to the upside. It needed to dump 2 candles ago, to be fair. It needs to do it like as soon as possible. Even if it takes me out, like I'm not cheating for my trade, I'm just saying what I'm seeing and, you know, commentating what I'm seeing. It needs to dump now. If not, like, shorts might be cooked. So lower high, you wanna confirm this lower high and dump. Just dump. You don't wanna an established higher low, and you don't want this candle to explode. In New York, during New York, these candle would have been like the past one would have been the one that that would have decided the fate of this move. During London, we just need to be a little bit more patient. Look, are some of your levels based on IB level? What's IB? I'm missing it. Fuck. Fuck, what was IB? I don't want to look at the chat because I know that you guys already typed the solution. What was IB? Fuck me. I don't fucking remember what was IB. Okay, gotta look at the chat. Initial balance, the 1 hour high and low, basically. I just respect I just respect the opening candle. I respect the 15, the 5, the 1 hour. And that's why we wait for the opening. That's why we wait. We will wait for the 4 a.m. Candle. We know for a fact the 5 a.m. candle is usually a rocket. So the last minute of my session, it can be like really... Oh, what I was saying to you. Like if we don't drop, it's like need to fucking drop now. Doesn't look good for the shorts. It doesn't look good. Yeah, I don't have anything that can give me an hint on bookmap right now. Some orders up there at like 80. But normal levels, normal orders. This is a big fucking area now. We are again at 30. At 30 we had huge selling orders here. The one that we absorbed, the one that I screenshotted before and I show you guys. The trend is your friend. Where do you pull your fib line to start the session? That's a nice question, Guza. That's a nice fucking question. Okay, equalize now on this pullback. What can save the shorts is that we have HI and the other fibs on yes, and we can reject those, and so in Q usually will follow. And again, guys, as I was saying before, I wasn't expecting this consolidation in the middle of the possible dump. You want, it's not expecting, it's like you want the same fucking speed, the same fucking strength on the downside as you had it on the upside. I had multiple conferences when I saw it, aligned when it... Okay. Is there a fuck ton of order? You know. 3 bar on 5 in the 5 minute, let's see. I don't know. Yeah. Again, not liking the week, not liking how fucking strong these candles are and how weak this down move is looking now. 2 minutes before this candle will close. Let's look at the 15. The 15, it's still hanging in there. It's still hanging in there. What about the hourly candle? Yeah, we pushed the fuck up. We pushed the fuck up. Let's get back to the 1 minute now. Losing a little bit of traction. MVG formed with the last candle. Let's see if we don't flip. We're gonna confirm the MVG, and it can a golden MVG also, and it can be the start of the down move. The consolidate because there is a VWAP on MNQ. Yeah, VWAP is also on NQ at 642, but we are bottom side of VWAP and 200 EMA on MA. I don't like Oracle. You gotta understand that when we are outside the New York session, like overnight VWAP, the POC and all that shit is really, how do you say, weak, or maybe less important than, like, in my opinion, with my experience. What's VWAP? What's POC? It's basically telling you where most of orders were, like the most of the action took place. If you didn't have a lot of action, and during usually during London, during Asia, during Globex, you don't have that much action. Those two lines, POC, VWAP, and all that shit, we consolidate because we are at the daily POC. That's what I'm saying. We are at the daily POC because the day started with Globex, and we didn't have like the major session that is New York. When New York opens and you have again a shit ton of orders flowing into the market, POC, that is the point of control, basically the point in which most contracts were traded since the start of the session, since the start of the day, you will have it moving hundreds of points in 3 minutes. So just to, I'm gonna read the chat and I'm gonna give you guys like, so you guys are saying this consolidation move is not what we were expecting, and so why we're consolidating? One guy said consolidating because there is a VWAP on MNQ and the 200 EMA on MES. Another guy said we began to mitigate the 15-minute fair value gap. This could be it. Another guy said we consolidate because we are at daily POC. Another one said might be waiting till 4 a.m. to push up or down. Who cares? Like then, after we try to understand what's going on, then you get like, who cares? Like I just only need to understand that we are consolidating, that we can go up or down like without any fucking clue. We can have the 50-pointer stick. Why am I trading? Why am I looking for a trade? Is this the right area? Like after you start asking yourself questions that then you understand, yeah, that can be the solution, that can be the answer, but I'm not sure about it. Maybe it's this thing, maybe it's this other thing. Why am I trading? Why am I trying to guess what's gonna happen if I don't have a fucking clue? Yeah, we are either trading or trending or ranging, of course. Of course. Yeah, on YouTube, W coming. Trader UL94, I see you're in your strategy fib levels. How to put this fib? Man, I'm gonna have something out to explain how to draw the fibs. Like, we don't predict, we react. That's right, Nicole. That's right. Like the amount of people asking about levels, and I'm glad about it, guys. I'm not stressed, but I need to ask for not permission, but I need to talk with the bosses. Good morning from Romania. Good morning, my man. Good fucking morning, my man. You know what? Even if, again, my stop loss is 605, of course, damn in profit on one con. But just do it. Just take me out or just pump the fuck up. Where do you use? What's that question? Oh. Yeah, that one is a good platform. I tried it for a couple of days. Gremlin. Pretty good. I was having a little bugs and issues with the order flow, but they're doing a pretty good job. Basically, what Rob Hoffman is trying to do with well charts, and I'm hoping that it will be possible and it will be soon available, is having some kind of order flow on well charts, and if it does it, gonna be fucking awesome. It's gonna be fucking awesome. Like, to me, it's gonna be a game changer. Game fucking changer. Basically, guys, I got 4 screens in front of me. And of course, like, I'm using one to give you guys my team viewer, my trading view shit. And using another one. This is the hourly candle, yes. I understood that by how orders are coming, we should see a touch at 05 now. I don't think that we don't have like just a week. Let's see. I'm seeing orders going. Just take me out. Please, take me out now and then dump. If not, skyrocket up and move away from this area. 11. That's almost a lower low. Almost a lower low. It's coming. Lower low established. Not on ES. I was sure about that. Watch out for the meanest of the candle. Watch out. Almost out. I'm out on this week. Let's go, guys. Let's go. And now we should see, like, now let's fucking drop the bed. Yes, he's on the fib, and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, deep chat is screaming good, and if they fix all the bugs, they are adding Gex level. Yeah, I've seen yeah, the put walls and call walls, and yeah, the Gex on it. Full meltdown. Now you wanna see speed. Now you wanna see fucking speed on this move. Yeah, like that. Like that. You wanna see aggressive candles on the downside, retracing back to at least 80. Like we are crossing 600 at least all this area here. You wanna see ES doing the same shit. It will have some more problems, like some issues, more than NQ, just because it has levels to cross. But as soon as ES can, NQ will vomit even more. We called almost each and every candle since the opening. Like almost each and every fucking candle. Also the consolidation here, what we're doing here, the meanest of the candle, and blah blah blah. Now, as I was saying, 3 bar down on ES below the fibs. If ES gets a little bit more bearish, NQ will shit the bed. Yes, it needs to distribute away. Is that how you say it? Yeah, maybe from the fibs and just dump. If not, look at how the smallest of the reaction on ES will trigger a mean fucking reaction on NQ. That's a 600 mark. That's what it's holding NQ, and this is what it's holding ES. You want to see now aggressive sellers? Here we go. Didn't even have time to say that. Yes, that's a 3 bar, 4 bar down the fibs. That's a fucking stick on NQ. You want continuation down, at least since 280. Yeah, at least 280. Like 77, that area there. You need some more on ES. You need more on ES. You need more fuel on ES. Way more fuel on ES. Let's see if we have continuation on NQ, or if this is the start of a little consolidation area below 600. It would be a little bit strange. No, we're going. Like, this is textbook, guys. This is fucking like, guys. That's the 77 area, the 70-ish area that we were talking about, just below 80. This is a good time to take fucking profit if you didn't before, if you're in this fucking short. Full meltdown. That's... I'm tired. I'm fucking tired. And think what we've done. We've seen it happening since up above here. That's like what? 40 and 20, like 60 points up. That's the exact candle. What I said, what I was saying. between 80, 77-ish. We bounce at 75, 74. What is that? 74, 75. Good fucking morning, Yalu. Good fucking morning. Look, are you actually tired of winning? No, I'm not. I'm just tired because I don't sleep. I don't sleep enough. I clearly don't sleep enough. I haven't slept enough for sure. Last week. For fucking sure. Is this another 3-bar down? We got sellers here. Completely absorbed. Trying to shoot another bullet. Here, contracts are piling. We should see reaction on both of the chart now. And at least like, what is that? $62, $65. Candle reacting. Let's see what we do. No, Pauline, but you know that's completely fine because like I was longing like before, and you were too. Yeah, but you weren't on the fucking trade. No, I don't know. I don't know. So, as I was saying, we needed a little dump on ES to trigger all of this on NQ. Like, look at the size of the candles that we're having on both of the charts. NQ is like always more volatile than ES. And even more than SPX. I'm not. Pauline, I was just trying to tell you, yeah, you didn't have to take the trade and blah, 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 but if you wanted, like if you were feeling right. Wait, Pauline, aren't you already like above the profit goal for the day? Rabbit in my face. Yeah. Not gonna say shit. Yeah, that's why I close it too early. Yeah, so for the same reason, you don't have to ask yourself why I'm not trading now, because you already know. You locked your account and you closed the trade because you didn't want to lose the profits. So why you're thinking about opening a new trade and risk the profits that you made? Like, yeah, also that. Guys, I'm looking for a quick scalp. Just that week is so juicy. So fucking juicy. We got divergence. We got divergence between ES and NQ now. Yes, for the first time today, ES is trying to do something, and NQ is trying to do the other thing. So ES is trying to pump above the fib. NQ was trying to dump. Now it's basically consolidating on that low area. I'm not looking for a scalp right now. I take that back. Why didn't you re-enter? Who? Jay. Oh, that was my scalp going. That's my scalp that it just saying, you know what? You're a fucking moron. You're a fucking moron. That is my 15-point scalp in 1 minute. Yeah. You took it? Yeah, I didn't. You guys. Oh, can you put a 1 in the chat if you're green on the day? Like, give me a 1 on the chat, and don't spam it, please. Just put just a 1, just so I have a feeling or like the temperature of the room, how we going. And put a 2 meanwhile, so I can have if you're green or if you're red or didn't trade. That's the dump. That's the dump. That's the dump. Oh, so much 1. So many 1s. What's that 3? What's that 3? Like the walk guy maybe putting a 3? No trades so far this morning. Oh, okay, Gel, no trades. Fine. Hello, Luca. I'm missing out today. I'm at work. Miss out 9s long. Yeah, London Open. Bounce at my levels to the top, man. Just don't think about it. You're working. Like, you're fucking working. So you're already making money. Go make money in that way, and when you're free, come back here and make money in this way. Are we giving up some free accounts today, Luca? Yeah, Lu, that's a very fucking good question, and we need to ask to the fucking YouTube, because those guys yesterday didn't even get a fucking indicator. So I need like 37 more likes just to give away an indicator to start with giving away shit, and I am somewhat satisfied with the Discord. Look at how, again, levels will fucking react. Look how levels will react. But I did 5 accounts and got my neighbor to like that shit. Good one who banked money on this short. Like, this was the scalp that I wanted to take after this week. Like, I've seen price wicking up, coming back down, orders on bookmap, really close to a key level. I was like, okay, I'm going in. Even if I go in very, very fucking heavy, I got, what, 10 points of stop loss, who cares? And, like, the reward is here. My TP is here. It's like, if this candle now can wick back, it's a huge fucking hint for the shorts. Huge fucking hint for the shorts. If not, we are just bouncing on the same fucking level, and we can have like the half of the move. Half of the move is already done. So 50% of the move up is already retraced, and we can stop here. Yeah, that's like, fuck. I was saying too much. I'm working and trading, love my job. Let's go, Tricky. 78, getting closer. 22 more likes, guys. We are more than 160, almost 170 people on the Discord. Like 20 people to the fucking YouTube. If we bounce, it's higher, lower. It's higher, low. Yep. Up $500 on 250k combines and 100k. Let's go. Let's go, my man, from the YouTube. we so if you wanna if you wanna participate and if you wanna take a shot on the accounts giveaway, join us on the Discord, my man. Join us on the Discord. It's free, and we give away. Pauline, like a question, like on average, how many accounts do we give away in a day on all the shows? Like between London, Morning Show, Trading Wheels, Power Hour and Happy Hour. Only? Like we give away 3 or 4 on always at least 10, yeah. So 10 accounts per day, 22 days, at least 10 accounts. Like at least 10 accounts. Join the Discord, guys. Join the fucking Discord. Like, this is like the giveaways, the free education, the transparency, and all of that. It's because I started following this this server. This is why I joined this community, and it's priceless. Again, if someone would ask like what would have been a good price for the Discord, like, well, I don't fucking like, again, it's fucking priceless. Coming over for the Discord to add a like. That's what I need you to do, guys. And then it's just a fucking click, just 2 clicks. Click on the link, click on the like button, and then you can fucking close the window. He was looking a bit. That's 4:15. Always like, then come back to yeah. That's what. And then again, guys, I already explained it. Like, if we have more likes on the YouTube, that's like sponsors in general will see that the videos are like the live content is good, so they will be interested on sponsoring the fucking show, as they do. Habibi, I don't remember shit for today, but if you gotta tell me something about sponsored contents and shit, just tell me now, because I don't remember. Thank you, Pauline. And so sponsors, anyway, will be interested on sponsoring our show, and we will be able to give away more fucking accounts. So it's like a circle. More likes, more interest, more accounts, more likes, more likes, more sponsors. Giveaway time. Let's go. We reached 100 on the YouTube. Bluesy, my man. DM me a word. Oh, it's who's gonna start the giveaway? Okay. I can say it whenever I want, just because I want it. YouTube, this is how it's gonna work. I'm gonna give you a word. It's gonna be a code word. You're gonna type it in the chat, and we have a bot that will pick a random winner. It's gonna be an indicator as a prize for this one. Pauline, give me a Give me an okay sign, something that you're good. YouTube. Code word is banger. B-A-N-G-E-R. Banger. Banger. Spaghetti is crazy. No banger, broken spaghetti. What? Why? What? Are you serious, Pauline? Are you serious? Like, tell me. Pauline, like, I in the middle of everything, you expected that I would not only read your message, but read the fucking message in the string of the screenshot you attached to your message with the fucking how do you say command on like what the fuck? Oh, okay. Fuck. It's back. Okay, fine. Oh my god. Oh my god. Chill, Italian. You telling me to chill? No, I was saying like the. It's. I think that it's command. Like Luca is such a good listener. No, what, Habibi? Why you two? Why? Poor future wife. Isn't it crazy that when like reading your message, Pauline, and I read the future, I thought about trading. Anyway, John Samuel Lundstrom from YouTube. John Samuel Lundstrom. My man. Oh, Sam, you're here, Samuel. Man, you want an indicator of your choice? Yeah, you're already in the... What's that, Lucy? Yeah, you tried? You tried to win? Motherfucker? This motherfucker. Anyway, Sam, just mods will open. Like, can you prove that that you are the real one? That you are the... Yeah, fine. Pauline or Bluesy or someone, a mod will open a support ticket for you, and you want an indicator of your choice. So enjoy that. Yeah. The really bad area here now, yes, is again on the fibs, trying to managing them. And I'm so fucking like being done on 10 accounts, and it's like 10:25 in my morning. I didn't even trade Asia last night. Didn't even trade Globex. I haven't done shit. I was smoking my ass out like last night. I had people telling me, do you see something on Bookmap right now? Man, I don't see shit right now. I'm high as fuck. Look at this is 1 week free trade on yeah. You spaghetti love you. Good night, my man. Do we want to run it? Yeah, let's run it. Let's run an account giveaway on the Discord. YouTube, now it's your turn to come to the fucking Discord. I'm gonna give you guys like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. We're gonna run it at 4:30. YouTube, Join the fucking Discord. Get a Discord account. If you don't have one, you got 4 minutes to do it. Verify your account. Top left on the server, you got a 3-step verification shit that you gotta do. Just click accept the rules. Be sure, guys, that you don't break any of those rules. Is Trump tweeting something right now? Just asking, because it was, no, I don't think so. It was the start of this scandal was pretty strange. Yeah, so I was saying, join the Discord, 3-step verification shit. Just click OK, read the rules, and be sure that you don't break any of the rules. After that, adopt the MOT tag. It's all for free, and you're gonna join the raffle for the 50k free account that we are about to give away. Yeah, we pumped above the fibs now on yes. Is Vic your name? Get the fucking MOT tag, man. Probably you switch tag for some kind of giveaway. V7CZ. Like, I know you, man. Guys from YouTube, you got 1 minute to join us. And thank you for the info. I just verified. Got worried why I was muted. Yeah, if you're muted, just because you're not fully in the fucking Discord. You're not fully accepted in the Discord. Just a 3-step verification shit. And Christian, add the MOT tag. Don't miss out, man. Gusa, get the MOT tag, guys. Get the fucking How? Just click on an MOT tag next to a username, whatever you wanna do it, and there is the fucking adopt shit. Adopt the tag. Reaction off of the fibs now. See ya, Leon. See ya. Luca is so gentle with the new ones. Man, I was a new one. Like, I joined the Discord almost 12 months ago. It's gonna be my birthday on the, like, my 1-year anniversary on the Discord in a couple of weeks. And I remember, like, and also you don't know, like, how old is the guy that you're talking to. Like, he can be like a 19-year-old, or he can be like a 65-year-old guy, and I will pay respect to him, even if he's not able to click the mouse button or whatever. So, like, the internet, you don't know who you're talking to on the fucking internet. So, first of all, pay respect. Of course, if the guy is not respecting you, shit on his face and shoot his mother. Of course, not advice. Just joking, YouTube. I'm joking. But yeah. Pumping our shit up. Look at this fucking rocket coming from the fibs. Coming from this touch. Yes. You just posted a message on the chat. Get the MOT tag, man. Someone said something about my mother yesterday. Where Pauline, I know who you're talking about, and I was about to answer. And you don't want to know. Is it time to click short or man, full time? We called all of this. We called all of this. I also called this fucking scalp. I told you that we could have bounced at 562. Now we are approaching this level, and this level will be a take profit on this long. You can't jump on like here. There's no trade in here for me. Look, I make a fucking indicator and give us the fucking fibs. I'll do it, Carlos. I'll do it. I need to organize the shit. Like, it's not that simple, guys. It's not that. Like, first of all, guys, like, I have always had that thought that, like, let's continue with the giveaway. Let's not dive into that shit. Yeah, I've seen that. So full time. You're trying, man, I wanna tell you this. You're looking for signals, okay? You can take trades while I'm taking trades. You can take trades while the other guys in the show are taking trades. But just imagine being able to do it on yourself, by your own. This is the goal. Like, this is the fucking goal. And if I'm not saying anything about the price, like, maybe, and guys, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm probably the one who talks, because I'm alone in front of the camera, who talk the most about the trading and what price is doing, just because, you know, I need to talk. I'm in front of the camera, I gotta entertain you. So just listen to the show, try to understand why the guy in front of the camera is telling something. Yeah, camera. Exactly, Spoon. And your people know a lot of shit about camera and photography and blah, blah, blah. Don't come at me, Spoon. That's how you say camera. I know. And by the way, yeah, let's run the giveaway on the fucking Discord. Guys, let's see. Let me open this shit. Let me do this. Let me do that. Full stick. Shani. Maybe on Monday. I know that you are degenerate gambler, but let's not activate accounts on fucking Saturday. Okay. Got funded and hit my 35% today. Thank you. Let's go, Siroka. Oh shit, yeah, man. When like traders are the only people in the world that hate weekends. The only people in the world. Yeah, Zero, it's not 4 days to go. It's that you're just, you're cruising to your payout. If we will take 5 days, who cares? Like, let me open the viewers. Shitty thing, here we go. So it's Friday. Do we want to have like some sort of contest between two people, or just don't be mean? Just pick one and give the account away. Of course, you want the don't be mean. I will do a chair spin. Contest. Do we want like a rock, paper, scissors shit? Do we want to like do something else? Rock, paper, scissors? Scissors? Rock, paper, scissors? Guess words in Italian? No, you can cheat with Google. Is there a bot here? No, there's not a bot. So, yeah, let's do the paper, rock, paper, scissors shit. Pauline, give me a number. Bluesy, you give me a number. 55 for Pauline. Bluesy. 17.30, 17.34, 17 sono 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Gladiator, MOT tag, yes. Join me up on stage, Gladiator, and shut the fuck up. For now, 143, motherfucker. 55, 4, 3, 2, 1, 50. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Sean trades. Gladiator, please, camera on, microphone on. Sean, are you here?
I don't know how to put camera on.
You know how to put your camera on? Yeah, you know it. You just did it. You just did it. Sean, pass it on. Are you sure, Sean? It's an account. Okay. Chat. First of all, thanks, Sean, because he's passing away the possibility, the chance to get an account. Bluesy, give me another number. $111. What, Pauline? 111. Fuck you, Bluesy. 17.34, 68. That's 85. You said, okay, 85. That's 92. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It should be Marco. Marco, no fucking MOT tag. Gonna go one away. Midas touch. Midas touch. Yeah, Midas touch, one again. I mean, Midas touch, golden ends. Camera on.
My bad. Hello, dude.
It's okay.
Dude, I just got from work right now, so I'm tired. I'm beat.
And now you gotta perform in a rock, paper, scissors contest if you want the account. If not, get the fuck up. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Let's fucking
Guys,
do it.
you know how it goes. You know how it goes. Like your hand in front of the camera. We're gonna go rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You're gonna shoot. And the winner gonna win the 50K. So, get ready. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, you fucking got me.
Yes. Yeah, I got you. Next
Okay,
time, man.
best out of three. Best out of three.
No,
You
man.
down?
No, I can't. It's not right to Gladiator. It's not.
All right,
I told you
all
Gladiator won. Next time, man. Like you're here almost each and every day. You're gonna get your chance to win something.
Fuck yeah. Yeah. No,
Bye,
next
man.
time.
Gladiator. What's up? How are you?
Very well. And you?
Very well. Yeah, I'm fine. Where are you from, my man?
I'm from Slovenia. Just
Oh,
on the other side of the border of Gorizia. So I also
Man.
understand Italian very well.
Yeah. Oh, do you like? Are you in Slovenia right now?
Yes.
Yeah, fine. So tell us something about you. How long have you been trading? Is it your job? Like, have you got a payout? Tell us something about you.
Oh, I am trading for 8 years. For now, I started in crypto. You all know how it goes. Then switched to Nasdaq and indices.
Yeah.
I recently started 1 month ago with funded accounts. Haven't been funded yet. Take it very slowly because I learned on the way that it can be very painful. So
Yeah.
I took it very slowly. I have my account and I'm trading elsewhere. So I use the other accounts like hedge, let's say. So
Yeah.
trade on my account, and when things don't go my way, I hold on my account and trade the other trades on the funded accounts.
What's your strategy? Are you a scalper? Are you more an intraday trader? What you do?
Oh, I have a very bad strategy, but it pays good, but little amounts because I open the trade on the retrace and hold it till it gets positive, because I have an account large enough to hold it, because I open really minimal trades and let it run till it gets positive. Sometimes can take few months. I want to change this strategy, start to use the shorter stop losses, and that's why I'm here, to learn it.
I can see you coming
it's about
from the crypto. Yeah, I can see like a lot of things that are coming, that are getting the crypto world vibes. Again, holding for long, looking at the price, DCAing while it's going down because you know that it's going up and all that shit. One piece of advice that I want to give you, like one main difference between NQ and, you know, Bitcoin or whatever crypto you wanna. NQ is in the long run, in the long term, as Bitcoin, like what I think about Bitcoin, will go up.
I don't know.
The thing is that futures are like, how do I explain it? Are like not crypto on roids and crypto on steroids, but somewhat like that, and they will respect even more daily levels that Bitcoin, you know, because the market is always open, always, also on the weekend, you don't have like those sessions that are really pretty defined on indexes like, again, Nasdaq, S&P 500, YM, and all of that. So you will have ranges of price that you can respect, and you can do the same exact thing you're doing like for the month, like doing for the day. If we look, I don't know if you can still see my screen, but if we look at yesterday, man, we had the fucking dumpathon, retrace, dump. This is the low of the day, and this can be like the bottom of your cycle. Waiting, mitigating. Now you wanna see, and this is only one day, and because it's futures, because you just because you're trading futures, you are trading with a leverage that it's like 10,000x, 1,000x, just because we are trading this instrument. So just try to apply what you know on crypto and try to apply that fear that crypto left you, because I know that you had that kind of feeling, and that I know, man. I've been around like you for several years, and yeah, now you can enjoy the 50K account. Maybe try some other things on this account. Pauline, what prop firm are we? Like which account from which prop firm? 50K account Midgard. Fine, that's our new partner basically. And enjoy it. Try to follow the show, and man, just you know it, in the crypto industry there's no one trying to help you.
Yes.
No one. Everyone is asking for your wallet address and your Bitcoin address and whatever. They're not trying how you feeling, like how you're why you're struggling and shit. Join, like, stay with us and yeah, have fun, man.
Thank you, thank you.
Do you want to leave us like a piece of advice for new guys or people that are just starting now, just because you got 8 years of experience?
Work on respect your stop loss. That's it.
Thank you for staying with us, and congratulations again for the win. Have a nice weekend too.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Man. See ya. And that's another normal guy. Even more a guy that I can relate. Really. How about another indicator and then fucking profit roll call? Yeah, we can. We can. Where do you want to do it? Here on the Discord? Pauline is giving away a free indicator, by the way. No, like I'm doing it. Like I'm just super pumped. I am always super pumped. Always. You don't see any fucking change because I'm always super pumped. Where do you want to do it, Pauline? Here on the YouTube? Here on the Discord or on the YouTube? Resting bitch face. Yeah, look at these fuckers now. Pauline? Discord or YouTube? Only under 7 likes on the YouTube. Discord? Fine. You want to pick someone? Fuck YouTube. First one to spit min wins. Yeah, PK. Mikey, we didn't have one of those today. And why am I addressing that picture now? Rookie mistake. Pauline, give me another number, come on. Profit roll call and a random out of them. Ooh, I like it. I like it. I mean, we are. You know why I don't like it? Because we are less than under 50 right now on the Discord. So, and maybe most of the people were not here when we started the session. Spin meet, you say I did say it. I did say it. Give me a number, Pauline. Just give me a number. $11 is crazy. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. Tie. MOT tag, yes. TAY. Party pooper. Yeah, we're gonna do it on Monday. Pauline, let's go. On Monday. We're gonna catch another banger and profit roll call and shit like that. Is that fine? What's your number, Carlos? Your number is 4. You are the 4th in the list. Like, guys, I'm not 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, you can see, like Carlos, here you have it. You are the 4th one on my list, and Ty, T-A-Y, is the 11th one. Number was 11, so Ty won the fucking indicator. Yeah, Habibi. So we do it, we can do it on Monday, and fine. Because, Pauline, don't you think that these motherfuckers in the chat banked more than 100 points on the short, 100 points on the long, more than 100 points on the long, and they are just getting fucked on this consolidation phase? For sure they are. For sure. Isn't it? Ty. Paulina, I missed you. Like, I'm not understanding why you ask me for you ask for next number. Like, if Ty is here, and yeah, let's. Oh, okay. Ty, are you here? TAY with the kitten on the profile picture. Yeah, you're here. You want an indicator, my man. Let's go, Carlos. Yeah, I fucked everything by accidentally buying 5 cons on NQ instead of MNQ and didn't notice. I know the feeling, man. And thank you so much, man. Ty. You're welcome. Varco, it happened to me multiple times. It happened to several people several times. Thing is that when you commit a user mistake, when you are in front of a user error, step away. Step away. It's the one of the worst thing that can happen. Step away. I got $300 of drawdown. I know, Barco, but I can grant you that if you continue trading right now, you will blow the account. 100% of the times. 100% of the fucking times. I can't jump on stage. No, you don't have to, Ty. You just won. I don't have a maker. No, you just won. For the indicator, I don't require you guys to come up on stage. You just won the indicator, that's fine. Still have 7 minutes, Pauline. I'm gonna squeeze those 7 minutes out of Abibi's, like, you know. Do we usually do that? Yes. For the indicator, I don't usually call people up on stage, maybe like once in a while. For the accounts, I want to talk with people because yeah, I wanna see them in the face. I wanna see them faces. So I was looking at the trades for the week. Do you guys believe me if I tell you that in 5 days, yeah, I copped more than 2,000 points? Actually, 2,237 points. Probably, I don't know if it's gonna be financially my best week, but on the charts, probably. On the charts, probably. Not only, I'm not talking, of course, only during London. That would be fucking impossible. That would be like having 500 points day each and every day. But with the fact that I had to trade Power Hour 2 days this week because Logan was not here. Because of I had to trade New York session with Lama. So I traded more, 2,237 points. Yeah, Luca Binono, all the calls. Yes, also, yeah, like yesterday, the craziest one was during Trading Wheels. Yesterday during Trading Wheels, we called like 150 points to the dot. I also remember the level was 37.5. Yeah, like Avi, yeah. You're trading yeah, that's right, Lucy. That's right. Thank God it's the weekend. Why you said that? Because someone said, yeah, of course. Because Nicole said, look, I've been all the calls this week, like, and it was a good comment. Here comes Pauline. Thank God it's the weekend. I need a break, and it's gonna come. I need a break from Luca, not even from trading. That means Pauline been on the calls all week too. That's true, Nicole, but I mean, she's working. She doesn't want to. It's like a thing that she needs to do. If she wanna continue, yeah, she has to. She's scheduled to. Have a good day too. Have a good weekend, Albatros. Be safe. Oh, guys, it's been a crazy week. It's been a good week. Max talking about Logan. Max and Logan, they are traveling. Yeah, Max will be here for. Will it be? Yeah, he will be here for the morning show, and Logan will be here for a power hour. So yeah, Paulin, you won't be getting any unwanted Luca on the other shows. And we got a new announcement for next week. Some of you already received that email on your inbox from TradingView. Javi talked a little bit about it yesterday during Power Hour. The gravity indicator is coming, and yes, that one. Doc and the production team, they cut out the 40-minute session, teaching session, the teaching class that Max did during the Blitz event. It's a YouTube video now that Pauline just that shared. Guys, go look at it, because I don't want to say that half of Mastermind course is there, but yeah. You have your own indicator coming out? Nope. Yeah, the indicator that it will be available from next week, and maybe is already available for elite Maestro students. It's gonna be Javi's indicator for something that I don't want to say anything. I don't know what if I can say shit. Javi announced it yesterday. It's gonna be a nice, not even nice little thing. It's gonna be a nice huge thing. Guys, we got 1 minute. I'm starting to close this shit. Possible, like last call. If we manage to break this level, it's really looking like another M fucking shape pattern with, of course, this consolidation area that you want to crush, and this it would be the whole move. Same shit on ES, even more. I'm sure about it. Let's look at the 1 hour or the 15 minutes. Maybe it's better. Yeah, 15 it's better. On the 15, we have the same confirmation, just a little bit deeper. I'm leaving you with this today. And 5 seconds, and we got the hourly candle that can crush each and everything that I said. Guys, it's been a fucking awesome week, this one. I thank you for being with me, for my shows and the other shows. I gotta thank Pauline, Bluesy, and Habibi for, being my partners for the show. They're amazing. They help me for a lot of things, and they way more aware of what's going on than me. Thank you, guys. Check out the website. Check out the website also for the Blitz event that we're gonna have in Arlington, Texas, the 20th of October. Try to book your spot there. Check out the website for the education that we got there. Indicator, 101 courses. We got it all. We got them all. YouTube, thank you for being with us. And yeah, we got also a lot of free shit on the YouTube. Guys, tip the stuff. Check out, stay here on the Discord for the next shows. We got pre-market with today. Maybe Javi and Logan are not gonna be here, but pre-market with Coach is gonna be there. Then morning show with Max and Lama. Trading Wheels. I don't know who's gonna host Trading Wheels today, but we're calling bangers also on Trading Wheels. Power hour, and then enjoy the fucking weekend, guys. It's been a fucking pleasure. Let's meet again next week, Habibi. Close the week. Drop that shit. Bye, man.
Midnight on the river, the lights are counting down. Every shadow's running a game. A handshake in the boardroom, a fortune turning round. Nobody here is playing it safe. I've watched the high rollers rise and then fall, felt the city swallow them whole, lose it all. London gold, burning through the dark. Take the fear, baby, ride it for the spark. We live on the edge of a blade tonight. When the world all lose the light, London gold. A diamond in the data, a secret in the smoke. The bell